Hello and welcome to Crystal Crafts with Dee. Today I'd like to show you a little bit of a different video. I have an unboxing through to work in progress through to review all in one video, and I wanted to do it with this particular one from Diamond Dots. So this one I got from dotsdirect.com.au and it is Koi Portrait. It's an intermediate and it is a partial. So your Diamond Dots come in these lovely boxes. I love how they show you the finished picture on the front of your box, and also how they have on the side of your box here, it shows your design area. So your design size is 32 by 41 centimeters and your fabric size is 40 by 49 centimeters, so it's a really nice size. And on the other side you've got, it shows you your diamond area, so it is a partial, and it's got 33 colors. So we'll get into it and have a bit of a sticky beak. So it normally comes sealed on the sides. I'll just cut that seal so I can get into it. So you have your canvas and your drills. So your canvas, it comes in this plastic cover to keep the moisture off and the dust out. So in your Diamond Dots kits you will get, I'll just try and pull that out. There we go. You will get an instruction sheet that is in color, has pictures, and it's in lots of different languages. But we want to have a look at this. Okay, so it's kind of bent on itself. Koi Portrait. Wow. Ooh, that looks really pretty. So what I'll do is I will roll it back the other way. I can do this because it is a poured glue. Just do this so it'll sit flat. Got a serious issue going on there, so I'll do that one the opposite way and hopefully it'll sit flat. Yep. I can get all that in there. So this particular one, I did get it because I don't have any fish diamond paintings. I thought that was curious, so I thought, you know what, I love koi, I'm gonna go for this one. I like how it's a smaller size and it is a partial, so it's not going to take me forever to do. And it is a Diamond Dots, and I love Diamond Dots. So with your Diamond Dots diamond paintings, you get this beautiful canvas. It's really good quality. You get your scalloped edging all the way around your canvas. You get big, beautiful, clear symbol keys. Love that on your left and your right hand side. And it also tells you down the bottom to the design number and the name and your design size and your fabric size. So I'll just do a bit of a sticky test, and I'm just going to have a quick look at the canvas and make sure that's sticky. Make sure that there's nothing stuck in the glue or any glue drops or anything like that. So it looks pretty good to me. So we'll zoom in. We'll have a bit of a look at that symbol field. Go. So Diamond Dots. You know you're going to get a nice clear drill field. You can see those symbols really easily. No problems whatsoever. No smudging. No confusion. So that looks really good to me, and that looks alright. Doesn't look like there's anything stuck in the glue or anything like that. So that's looking pretty darn good. And I'll bring you over to the symbol key right up the top. So your diamond dot symbol key, you have the your symbols, you have their diamond dots number, and you can see there that symbols are nice and clear. They are color coded. 33 colors is pretty impressive. So there's no issues there. So I'll zoom you back out again. And we'll flip her over and we'll have a look at those drills really quick. So you get your little packet here, and it tells you the design number and your name, Koi Portrait. So you get your drills and you get your toolkit. So they're toolkits. You've got a single placer diamond pen. You've got a wax in a screw top container, your squishy comfort grip, your tray, and you've got some resealable bags in there. Your drills. So you've got some white AB there, and that's got that extra coating on there to make it extra sparkly. And you've got a yellow AB as well. Nice. You've got a red. And you got, it looks like a dark green. You got some beautiful oranges. And some pretty greens. So these drills, they're absolutely gorgeous. They, the facets that are cut in there, they just really pick up that light, make it super duper shiny, and the drills are nice and uniform and really good to work with. Some more greens. Some pinky oranges. I can't see, I don't think that's focusing. There we go. You get some grays and yellows and pale greens. Last but not least, you've got your reds. And greens and grays. So beautiful colors. Alright, we'll flip her back over again. So I will be doing works in progress right through to the review on this particular diamond painting. So stick with me and we'll see how this one turns out. Okay, so all finished. Didn't this turn out absolutely gorgeous? I love, 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 love this. Super duper happy. I love the colors. I love the background. I love the shading. The shading in this is just absolutely gorgeous. I love how you've got your light green there and your dark green, so you got that beautiful 3D effect. I love how they've done the fish. And I just absolutely love the lotus flower. And in here you've got two AB drills. You've got the yellow and you've got the white, and it just really, really makes it sparkle. super duper sparkly. Hard to see from here, but absolutely gorgeous. So I will zoom you in so you can have a closer look. So you can see there the some of that shine. It's just dazzling. I mean, you usually get a lot of super shine from Diamond Dots anyway, but this one in particular seemed extra sparkly. And it's just gorgeous. I'll show you that lotus flower there. So you've got that yellow and the white AB in there. But the use of the colors in the fish as well. You just got that beautiful definition, beautiful shading, beautiful depth. And look at that shine. Oh, gorgeous. Beautiful. Rightio, so I'll zoom you back out again. So the drills, brilliant. Canvas, brilliant. The glue, brilliant. Love it. Brilliant. It's fantastic. So I will flip her over and we'll have a look at the leftover drills. So I've got these drills here, so you can see there's quite a lot left over. Some of them there wasn't as much, but then you didn't need that many either, so there was plenty to do what you needed to do. Plenty left over. This one had quite a few left over. And the V as well, one of the main colors, quite a bit left over there. And the other container, so you can see, sorry about the glare, so you can see there's quite a bit left over in there. Just gorgeous. And also I wanted to point out, while I was kitting these drills up, Diamond Dots are notorious for having a lot of static in their drills when you go to take them out of I think it's the plastic bags that they actually put them in. So when you transfer them there into your containers, they go flying everywhere. It's just static everywhere. And I've used dryer sheets and I've used every method that I could think of to cut down on some of that static, and it didn't get rid of all of it, but it got rid of some of it. But with this particular kit up, I had absolutely no static whatsoever. Not one color was static. I was like, this is awesome. So I was pretty thrilled with that. But lots and lots left over. Alrighty, flipping them back over. So that is my koi portrait. I absolutely love doing this one. It didn't take very long to do, and I just kind of worked on it bit by bit. And like I said, with the 33 colors, you've got some beautiful shading and depth in there, which is just a super bonus, and that extra super sparkle. So, love doing this, love Diamond Dots, and I have heaps more to do because I can't help myself. So they will be in further videos later on. But anyway, thank you so much for watching my video, and I will catch you next time. Bye!